And what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today I'm going to be doing a startup tutorial for the Airbus A320NEO. Alright, so here we are on the airplane. We're just going to make a quick little left turn here and come into the cockpit of the Airbus A320NEO. Nice cockpit. Got an EasyJet out the window. And alright, we are going to be starting up this airplane from completely cold and dark on this cloudy day here at London Gatwick. Alright, so the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be heading to the overhead panel. Right here. And this is what we're going to start. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn on external power. External power will start to get all of our things running correctly here. Then we're going to go batteries on. So that'll turn on everything. Then what I like to do is I like to go up here to the top left and I like to align my adheres. There we go. So now everything's starting up. Alright, so going back, we're going to go fuel pumps on. And we're ready to go, so we're going to go ahead and turn on our APU. Here we're going to get strobe, beacon, wing, nav, and logo. Lights on. We're going to, if you've already boarded, go ahead and turn on our lights here, but we're going to wait for these once we get pushed back and all. So once that's ready, we're going to request pushback and start engines. Afternoon, Gatwick ground, EasyJet 292. Is ready for pushback. Now that we're going to get pushback here, we're going to want to select, on our engine mode, we're going to want to select ignition start. And we are ready to get our engine started. Alright, we're ready for pushback. Let's release park click. Now that we're getting pushback, we're going to start engine number 2. We can see here that engine number 2 is starting. Alright. APU is available. Alright, starting engine number 1. Now that we're ready, we're going to get landing lights on, taxi lights on, and we're ready to go. Alright, let's go ahead and test everything before we go here. Let's test flaps. Speed brakes. Flaps up, flaps 1 for departure. Alright, full left, full right. Alright, up here, let's go ahead and do control surface test real quick. We're going to go full up, neutral, full down, neutral, full left, neutral, full right, neutral, left rudder, right rudder. Alright, flight director on. We're going to select heading as this. You'll select whenever you're taking off. So here's what we're going to select this for when we're in the air. Selecting speed. We're going to also select our altitude. Go up. We'll just select this for now. Alright. We are ready to go. Flaps set for departure. Everything's ready. we're gonna go APU off because our engines are running, and external power should be off. Alright, let's release park and brake. Alright, now we're just gonna taxi to the runway. Flight attendants, please be seated for departure. Alright, power set. Knots. V1. Rotate.
Pause for climb.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this short video. It was short, but hopefully this helps you next time you are flying in the Airbus A320NEO. So, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I guess I'll see you on our next flight. See you guys. Bye.